In our last videos of trigonometry, we have seen angles, the different type of angles. There are two lines that form angles, initial segment and terminal segment that form angles. And we have also seen the relationship between degrees and radians. Okay, so angle can be written in the term of degree or in the term of radian. Okay, and we have also seen the sine, and we saw some tricks. There are many tricks that we saw in our last videos, and we have also seen the signs of trigonometric functions in different quadrant. Like there are four quadrants, 1 to 4. So in which quadrant, like sine, cos, tan, what will be the sign of that trigonometric functions we have seen in last video. So today we'll see the range of trigonometric functions in different quadrants. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we'll see again the signs of trigonometric functions in different quadrant. So there are four quadrant, and in last video also I told you that this is first quadrant, and this is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and this is fourth quadrant. So from 0 to 90 degree first quadrant, 90 to 180 degrees second quadrant, 180 degree to 270 degrees third quadrant, and 270 degrees and 360 degrees fourth quadrant. Okay, now so this is x axis and this will be minus x, this is y, so this will be minus y. See, cos depends on x and sine depends on y. So y is positive in both the quadrant. Okay, so sine will be positive in both the quadrants. And sine का inverse क्या होता है? That is 1 upon sine is cosec. So if sine is positive in both the quadrant, then cosec will be positive in both the quadrant. Okay. Now next we'll talk about cos. Okay. So cos, that depends on x. So x is negative here and positive here. So cos will be positive in both the quadrant 1 and 4. So first and fourth quadrant में cos जो होगा that will be positive. So now cos will be positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. ठीक है? Because this is what? Minus, negative of x. Okay, x minus में है, यहाँ पे x positive है. So cos depends on x. So cos will be positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. तो cos का inverse क्या होता है? That is sec. So sec will be positive in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. ठीक है? Now we'll talk about tan. तो tan तो तभी पॉजिटिव होगा जब साइन कॉस दोनों पॉजिटिव हो या दोनों नेगेटिव हो, बिकॉज साइन अपॉन कॉस विल बी tan. ओके, एंड माइनस साइन अपॉन माइनस कॉस विल बी ऑल्सो tan, बिकॉज माइनस माइनस कैंसिल हो जाएगा ना. But if sine is negative and cos is positive, in that case tan will be negative. ठीक है? So in this quadrant, sine and cos both are positive. ठीक है? First quadrant में sine भी positive है, cos भी positive है, तो tan भी positive होगा. Okay? So tan will be positive in first quadrant. So if tan is positive in first quadrant, cot will be positive in first quadrant, क्योंकि cot का value is 1 upon tan, मतलब cos upon sin, tan का value. Okay, cot का value. Okay, so if tan is positive in first quadrant, cot will be positive in first quadrant. Now in this quadrant sin will be positive but cos जो है negative होगा. In this quadrant only cos will be positive, sin negative होगा. Okay, but in this case, in this quadrant, the x भी minus है, y भी minus है. So in this quadrant, third quadrant, sin भी negative होगा, cos भी negative होगा. So when sin and cos both are negative, tan will be positive. So in third quadrant, tan will be positive. तो tan positive है तो cot भी positive होगा. Okay, now just see this, and बाकी सारे quadrant पे सब minus ही होगा. Okay, got it? Now we'll talk about the range of trigonometric functions in different quadrant. ठीक है? Now now we'll talk about the range of each trigonometric functions. Okay, so in first quadrant sine के लिए हम देखते हैं, तो sine depends on y. Okay, so y पे डिपेंड करता है. सो फ्रॉम जीरो x पे डिपेंड, x इज परपेंडिकुलर टू y एंड x आई मीन साइन जीरो इज जीरो. सो इट्स इंक्रीजेस फ्रॉम 0 to 1 क्योंकि साइन 90 इज 1. ओके, सो साइन 90 इज 1. सो इन दिस केस इट विल बी y is positive and y axis, this is positive here in first and second quadrant. Okay, and y depends on I mean sin depends on y. So क्या होगा कि x से जैसे y तक जाएगा that will be 90 डिग्री. So 0 to 90 में increase करता है sin का value, and from here also when it is going from this place 90 to 180 degree again it will be 0 180 degree पे. Okay, so here we can say that in first quadrant 0 से 90 degree तक जाएगा तो it will range from 0 to 1. Okay, बट सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट में जब जाएगा दैट विल बी यहाँ पे 90 में हाई 90 डिग्री पे साइन 1 होता है एंड दैट इज द हाईएस्ट वैल्यू ऑफ साइन. ओके, तो 1 से यहाँ पे वापस वो 0 पे आएगा. ओके, सो फ्रॉम हियर व्हेन इट विल कम इट विल सो रेंज इन ऑफ साइन इन सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट विल बी 1 to 0. ओके, नाउ अगेन यहाँ पे 0 है एंड दिस इज नेगेटिव. तो यहाँ पे जो उसका रेंज होगा फ्रॉम 180 डिग्री टू 270 डिग्री, मतलब कि थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में इट विल रेंज फ्रॉम 0 टू, ये माइनस हो जाएगा -1 बिकॉज 9 अगेन ये दिस इज परपेंडिकुलर, मतलब 90 डिग्री का वैल्यू 1 होता है बट दिस इज नेगेटिव साइड, सो इट विल बी -1. एंड अगेन इन फोर्थ क्वाड्रेंट व्हेन इट इज गोइंग फ्रॉम हियर 270 डिग्री से 360 डिग्री तक जाएगा तो अगेन दैट विल बी नेगेटिव बिकॉज दिस y एक्सिस इज नेगेटिव. So it will range from -1 to 0 and again here यहाँ से जाएगा तो 0 to 1. Okay, so range of sine in all the four quadrants are as follows: 0 to 1 in first quadrant, 1 to 0 in second quadrant, third quadrant में 0 to -1 and fourth quadrant में -1 to 0. Similarly we can check for cos also. Okay, so cos का range क्या होता है? Cos 0 is 1. So cos का जो रेंज होगा and cos 90 is 0. So cos का रेंज होगा 1 to 0. Okay, 1 to 0. Now cos will be negative in this quadrant. Okay, cos इस quadrant में negative रहेगा, इस quadrant में negative, again fourth quadrant में वो positive रहेगा. तो fourth quadrant में वो positive रहेगा तो fourth quadrant में उसका value 0 to 1 होगा, 0 to 1. But in second quadrant it will go from 0 to -1. 0 to -1, then -1 to 0. Okay, so these are the values of cos in all the four quadrants. 0 to 1 in first quadrant, 1 to 0 in first quadrant. In second quadrant it will range from 0 to -1 and third quadrant में -1 to 0 and fourth quadrant में 0 to 1. So similarly we can check for tan. Tan 0 is 0 but tan 90 is infinity. So tan का जो range होगा in first quadrant it will range from 0 to infinity. Okay, quadrant से tan का value क्या होगा? Tan का value second quadrant में negative होगा and fourth quadrant में भी negative होगा. Okay, so it will range 90 degree. So -infinity to 0. Okay, and third quadrant में positive होगा. Again it will range from 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. And again in fourth quadrant it will range from infinity to -infinity to 0, -infinity to 0. ठीक है, because इस quadrant में इस quadrant में sin and cos both are not positive. एक positive एक negative है, so tan का value will be negative in second and fourth quadrant, but tan का value will be positive in first quadrant and third quadrant, and tan का range is 0 to infinity because 90 degree tan 90 degree is infinity. Okay, now next we'll check when we are going 0 to 1 it will inverse of that will be infinity to 1. So infinity to 1, and in this case 1 to 0, so it will be 1 to infinity. Okay, so 1 to infinity. So in cosec, we'll see this third quadrant, that is inverse of sine. So sine में 0 to -1 है, so it will range from minus infinity to -1. Okay, and -1 to 0, so -1 to minus infinity. Okay, -1 to minus infinity. Okay. Why this is minus infinity we have taken? Because a cosec will be positive in first and second quadrant, because cosec is inverse of sine, and sine is positive in first and second quadrant because that depends on y axis. So cosec will be positive in first and second quadrant, third and fourth quadrant में negative होगा. So we have taken negative value, मतलब in infinity का भी negative value we have taken. Okay. Now we'll talk about sec. Sec is inverse of cos. So cos is positive in first and fourth quadrant because that depends on x axis. Okay. So cos will be positive in first and fourth quadrant. So sec will be positive in first and fourth quadrant. ठीक है? And second, third में वो negative रहेगा. Okay. So now see, cos is 1 to cos ranges from 1 to 0. Okay. So sec will range from 1 to infinity because 0 है तो inverse of 0 will be, I mean 1 upon 0 will be infinity. Okay. Now 0 to -1 है because second and third quadrant में negative होगा, so we'll take minus infinity to -1. Now -1 to 0, so -1 to minus infinity, and 0 to 1, so infinity to 1. Okay. Now we'll see cot. Cot is inverse of this tan. Okay, and tan is positive in first and third quadrant, second and fourth quadrant में 0 रहे, I mean negative रहेगा. So we'll see 0 to infinity है, so it will range from infinity to 0. Now minus infinity to 0, so 0 to minus infinity. Now 0 to infinity, so infinity to 0. Minus infinity to 0, so 0 to minus infinity, because fourth quadrant and second quadrant में negative, first and third quadrant में positive. So now we have seen the range of different trigonometric functions in different quadrants. Now we'll see one important formula to solve the sums. Sine square x plus cos square x will be equal to 1. मतलब sin x का square, sin x is a value, sin x का square and cos x का square जो है, that is it means sin square x is equal to, वो होता क्या है basically, sin x जो एक value है, जो angle है, I mean x is an angle and एक trigonometric function है sin x, and इसका square जब हम करते हैं तो we'll write simply we write at sin square x. ठीक है, तो sin square x plus cos square x will be equal to, sum of both will be equal to 1. So by using this formula we can derive another values. If हमारे पास एक value है, like sin x का value हमारे पास given है, so can we find out the value of cos square x? निकाल सकते हैं. How? See, sin square x का value अगर निकालना है, this is given, so we can, what we can do, 1 minus cos square x. Cos square x का value given है, we can find out sin square x का value. Similarly, अगर हमारे पास sin square x का value given है, we have to find out cos square x. तो cos square x will be equal to 1 minus sin square x. ठीक है, ऐसे हम find out कर सकते हैं. And these things we know कि sin का value will be equal to 1 upon cosec, and cos का value will be 1 upon sec, and tan will be 1 upon cot. Okay, and tan is equal to tan x will be equal to sin x upon cos x. So by using these formula we can find out the value of all the 6 trigonometric functions. Now see, if question given cos x is equal to 3 upon 5, ठीक है, अगर cos x is equal to 3 upon या minus 3 upon 5 given है, and x is in third quadrant, x lies in third quadrant given, ठीक है, ठीक है. Now you have to find out all the rest. cos हमारे पास है, sin, tan, cosec, sec and cot, ये सारे values हमें find out करने हैं. तो first of all what we'll do, थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट मतलब दिस क्वाड्रेंट, दिस इज द थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, ठीक है। सो इसका रेंज क्या होता है, 180 डिग्री टू 270 डिग्री, ठीक है, यही होता है रेंज ना। नाउ इन दिस क्वाड्रेंट ओनली दिस इज माइनस एक्स, ओके, एंड दिस इज माइनस वाई, ठीक है। तो इस क्वाड्रेंट में tan जो है वो पॉजिटिव होता है एंड cos विल बी निगेटिव, cos विल बी निगेटिव एंड साइन भी होगा वो निगेटिव होगा, ठीक है। नाउ फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन, कैसे निकालेंगे, cos स्क्वायर x विल बी इक्वल टू -3/5 होल स्क्वायर, तो वैल्यू क्या होगा, माइनस कभी वो प्लस हो जाएगा ना, तो प्लस 9/25, so this will be the value of sin cos square x. Now as we all know that sin square x plus cos square x will be equal to 1, so by putting the value of cos square x here we can find out the value of sin square x. So sin square x will be equal to 1 minus cos square x, so that is 9/25. So 9/25, 1 minus 9/25 मतलब 16/25, तो 16/25 को हम किसके टर्म में डालेंगे, साइन के टर्म में, ओके। सो प्लस माइनस 4/5 का स्क्वायर। नाउ व्हाट वैल्यू वी हैव टू टेक, प्लस लेना है या माइनस लेना है, बिकॉज दैट इज थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट, तो थर्ड क्वाड्रेंट में तो नेगेटिव रहता है साइन, सो साइन तो वैल्यू ऑफ साइन एक्स विल बी -4/5, ठीक है। सो वी हैव फाउंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन एक्स, कॉस एक्स हमारे पास गिवन है, साइन एक्स हमें मिला, सो tan विल बी पॉजिटिव इन दिस क्वाड्रेंट, सो tan का वैल्यू क्या होगा, tan will be equal to tan x will be equal to sin x upon cos x. So sin x is -4/5 and cos x is -3/5. 5 cancel, minus cancel, तो it will be 4/3. So tan का वैल्यू ये है. So बाकी हम फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं. cos is this one, so sec will be equal to sec x will be equal to -5/3. Sin का वैल्यू is this one, so cosec का वैल्यू will be cosec x will be -5/4 and tan is this one, so cot का वैल्यू will be equal to 3/4. हो गया? I hope you understood the concept. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.